Shadow.
What are you doing?
I like this horse. Hi everyone. We go.
So good morning everyone. Charis. So we're gonna have a birthday celebration with Jessica and Sam today. So we have here. I don't know if Sam will be here or she gonna be here. I don't know. But we're gonna cook this one, pancit, shrimp. The shrimp is, I think 400 is the 1 kilo, 400 pesos. Yes, and yes, we're gonna do a pork chop. This is the ingredient, which is the tomato, and here's the pork. The pork is 280 pesos per kilo. Yes. Paka kayo. So we're gonna marinate the pork first because we're gonna grill it after. Yes.
Tulo lang ti upar.
Unsa? Upata lang.
Ang ibilin?
Mga pakakay mo lang. Ilas lagi kayo mga konron. So yes. First is she add the soy sauce, and next is the vinegar. Ayaw alat lang ha. Ayaw alat. Not a lot. Oh yes. We forgot to buy a ketchup. And add magic syrup, salt, and pepper. Yes.
Peppa pig.
And Kyla was the one who is chopping the carrots. And uy, mga pakak lagi kayo mga outfitan ron. If you're a Filipino, wait, ansay tawagan na kan, tell me without saying that you're a Filipino.
Nasi kuan?
Tell me without saying you're a Filipino.
Tell me you're a Filipino without saying.
Tell
Tell me you're a Filipino without telling you're a Filipino.
because there's a magic syrup.
Gaiki ko na.
Happy birthday, Sika.
Happy birthday.
Sakto na. Reserve your voice because your voice is getting aching. Yes.
Dapat daw na kay gift.
What?
Dapat na gift si Ate Graf. Na murag na agad siya sa diba? Masi-masi ba?
She needs to mix it using her hands, and yes. Kapak.
Wait lang. Ngaon ba mo ni anak gi?
Kamay na.
Ang tangan na.
Dili. Dara buti iro ng anak dia. Kudu pag kuno.
Sika. Ako ko ano na bi kihiwas lamas ano.
Mag-live on sa dun.
That's for the pancit.
Yeah.
Daga nagkamot eh.
Labo. Ano ginalay?
Cutting the hair of shrimp.
Na may put break. Dako kay kung salay sa kaput break eh.
Iwawa na makaani og kanang bugsungon or kuan. Sika ganahan.
Aw, anad na ko put break gamit.
Segunda.
Oh, segundo.
Wala na lang kuan.
Pero PWD subo.
She's cutting the cabbage for the pancit.
Jessica, good morning. What are you cooking? Hello, Enrique. Good morning, Enrique, guys.
Hello. Hi.
So we're
Hello,
gonna
Enrique.
cook a
Vloggers na
Grilled.
kayo sila eh.
pork chop,
Asa man imong?
shrimp,
Pancit. Dagko lang.
also
Kuwasa ng igbaw ros. Uy,
Babot ha, babot.
grabe
also
siya.
we have here bangus.
Saman, Gab. Pakulata ka, Gab.
Sige, mo yung bangus. Good. Sa tinga na. Kita siya journal ni Permi man.
What can you please English?
Rose is cutting the pork for the pancit right now because we're gonna cook a pancit, or we call it bami, with the canton and Mickey. No? Mickey? A Mickey?
Tanghon man.
So tanghon. It's so tanghon. And Mickey. Oh, may Mickey ito ra.
Special.
Special gani.
Kanto na gani.
Oh, gani.
Special.
And while Jonah was the one who is cutting the hair of shrimp.
The hair.
The hair. Hairy man na siya, hairy.
Kailan kaya ito magka-hairless? Yes, upaw is here.
And now they will cut a garlic for the shrimp. We're gonna cook this one into a garlic butter shrimp, no? Garlic butter shrimp, no? Make it spicy. Ala.
We have bingo Andre, bingo cards. We also have ping pong balls.
We're gonna play. Who will be the luckiest person who will prize us?
The luckiest
Kibaw na ka?
will be the most, the generous one.
So,
The
manoy mo.
worst part of cooking in the Philippines is they never have good knives.
Yes.
As you can see, they never have good knives. Try to cut the pork chop. Look, it's so very kuan. Habul.
Cutting the garlic with a ano sa tawag na? Mad. With an attitude. With an attitude, Rose. 100%.
Nasad ka? Mag-blackout ka, mamawi ko. Asa may butang?
And right now, cutting the onions
Ate,
for shrimp again, ha?
kuanda, sada na.
Si Ka, plato ka. Ka.
Plato da,
Plato ba?
ko.
Inon lang nato si Titil nga panghugas lang man niya. We'll just Titil to wash the dishes after this one.
Ay, kaya ka na kayo sa bangus na.
Rose is cutting the ingredients for the bangus or the fish. We're gonna put some vegetables like tomato, garlic, and onions, and inside of the fish or the bangus. This is the ingredients or the, what do you call this one? The vegetables that we need. This one, the tomato. Kaila ka expert ba nimo? Export. Export to Iran.
Na, Iran pagit.
Iran pagid. Spotted. Jonalyn Geringas. What's that? Sprite. Lang, ibutang ta niya na. Magbutang niya ta sa kuana na ay sa shrimp.
Sa shrimp gani ni.
Say hi. Hi, what are you doing, Gab?
Making dinosaur.
You're making a dinosaur. And we have here a cake. Yes, a cake from Goldilocks. Shout out to Goldilocks. Baka naman, Charis. And Jonalyn was the one who is cooking the shrimp.
Imi raman eh, kaya di man ako siya maluto.
Uy, pakita saan mo diri dapito.
Tangad.
Ayun, nung nabutang tangad na may sibuyas dahonan.
No, we don't have sibuyas daw.
Naman.
Tangad lang yan.
That's the bangus. We call it bangus here. Milk fish lang, no? We call it milk. In English, that's milk fish. That's the milk. And that's the fish.
The national fish. The national fish of the milk.
Change ah? Yes.
Smile be with fish roast. Hello, oy ka. Kapanga tao lagi niya.
No lumpia for today's video.
Yes, nilumpia.
No lumpia in
Ay, pag nagpalit na lang ulit tag niluto, luto unon na lang, tadaan lang, no? We're gonna melt this one first, which is the butter with, and they already add the garlic. Yes, with the garlic on. Okay na lang para mamrag mo pagpag mo kwan gamay mo brown ang kwan ba. This is the butter and this is the garlic. Char. It's the birthday girl who is cooking the food. Wow, that's crazy, Charis. All I can see is the muscle of Jessica.
Is it big?
Adding the tomato paste. Adding the sugar. Adding the shrimp. That's, I think,
Mas daghan siya titi
1.5 kilos. The shrimp, they already add the shrimp. This one.
Grabe sa nimo ya oy.
Uy, palayo, Radam. Dinot kayo daw. Oh, dinot kayo daw.
Sumunod-sunod sa aking
Making a fire for the grilled pork and
Abot mo ni katag.
Jan.
Saya, lefty.
There's a vegetable near, and that's Crystal's mother's vegetables, which is this one, the bitter gourd, and I don't know what they call this one. Taste this. How's the shrimp? Okay ra na? Okay ra na? Is it fine or is it delicious or it's too sweet? Asin, no? It's too sweet. Sweat? Is it delicious like kayo, Charis? Vlogger. Si Kayla daw ko na niya patilawa. Nakay, ayaw kay Kayluan na si Joros.
Uy, nalugrang butter.
Is it too sweet, Jonalyn?
Sweet kay.
Sweet like you? Imuha na tanan. Charis. Wala.
Sika! Saan naman ka? Ay, tanawa sa nilini.
Wow. Nya pangagda sa taon mo eh.
Unay ra ko diri sinugba.
Dapat apil nga na iya.
Diyan. Kaluoy. Always the chef.
Ma-discover ba?
Here's the shrimp. The finished products.
Live ang
Cooking, and right now the next food that she will cook is the what is it, Jonalyn? Pancit. Is that your specialty? Why?
Aling baboy.
Sexy manggugay kuno karon ikay tigluto. Unya na pataguan sa baboy. Unya na, ayaw. Rose. Cooking the pancit but we don't have lumpia.
Why not coconut? Pang-toppings ka nino?
Dagan kayo.
Di ang sasaray ganun. Wala ni patis. Usa ka pa.
Last man na lang.
Gani ka.
Last.
Last na. Gani na ako gikuan gani.
Pero pwede naman siguro itingob na lang na yung modera lang.
Itingog na lang gani. Ikat sunod ka. Oh, ganyan. Tamig da kong kaha.
Sesiada sisri.
Nainisip na pepper ito kuan.
Black pepper. Ika padong haon. Ready tamo luto.
Ay gunting mo. Anay gunting kilit siguro. Ano lang.
Lang gunting mo na siya lang. Nay gunting dira kay. Gunting. Nat murag oh.
Tarawa ko na gunting mo. Ayun na ma'am.
Ano na lang. They will add the canton or the what you call this one, the sutanghon, and yes, the canton. Ay na lang na, ano na.
Sa kuan? Ihumol man na sa tubig. Ano man ihumol sa tubig din tingol ko gani. Awlo na ko mako. Ang katong diyan mo dili ang kanay sa tutang. Gahi man dili.
Iad na to lang ang kuan lang.
Hindi wala na.
Da mga expert to.
Naasitig first da. Dili sakto na to ang tangan. Ipon na.
Si Janet.
Gidugmog na ako.
Uy, ayoko na basta birthday lang. Di mo na dapat putol-putulon.
Hindi guys, magtuto sa mo na te.
Dili man ako dili ko putulilo doon pasensya.
Birthday di si karon.
Dili 22 pa diba? Amo lang siya. Kahapon asa mi ka ba nag-birthday? Pero amo lang. Boy, Samantha ka.
Ay! Ang sarap!
Napatira ni kuan.
Ay, gunting eh. Gunting na yan eh.
Samantha na?
Dili eh. That's how you cook pancit here. Sas, kadag ko gawas. Ang tubig lang ikay kitaguan sa tubig, Rose. Sa igbaw. Watery, watery. Diba, kamo pa ito yung nangumpra ko'y luto, Charis. Here's the finished product. Appetizing ka siya lang. Dami siya kitanan.
Tilaw yun.
Talaw na ko bate.
Doon na mo lang na. Dami dyan.
Wow. Look at these girls, oh. Look at these ladies. They're doing a bingo.
Sa ay! 4-9. 4-9? Sabi! Sa ay! Hantay yun. Dali ko, yung tulong. Eh, wala na ako magtulo na. Wala na ako magtulo ba? Challenge! Pwede sa labing ko sa 32. Driving in the car in the middle of the night.
La, spotted. This is our food, which is the shrimp. The cake is almost done. The rice. The fish. Rice. Pork. Pansit. We're gonna bring home that one. So, almost evening here. Almost evening here, and we're gonna cook a foods for dinner, which is a sweet potato leaves and tinolang manok. Yes, and mom will get a sweet potato leaves together with Jan Jan. That's how Jan Jan and mama. We're gonna, what do you call this one? We're gonna do a pickled.
Mas pagputuli mo.
Jan.
Sani, ulit na sani.
Jan. Tay.
Katulad kay tarungon.
Mama is doing the one.
Pwede naman itong kunik dito sa ilaw niya. Batok dito.
Because we're gonna cook it in the town.
Kunik ka sa ilaw, edi. Batok dito sa ilaw.
Gamay.
Madagan sa ulan.
Ma, smile ma.
Nado kay pato. Ang Abril nya karon 15 pa ron. Ngayon na ni hulo na ni.
Wala ka, grabe sa kanindot sa...
Dapat kasada.
Sunset.
Karon na ko klaro na muli ang iya mata. Kapahaya